One day, without warning, your body sends you a message you can no longer ignore. Standing up takes effort, stairs feel steeper, balance feels uncertain, and you suddenly realize the truth no one warned you about. Aging does not steal your strength overnight. Inactivity does. What you do today decides whether your future body becomes a prison or a powerful tool that still serves you with dignity, independence, and confidence. This message is for you, and for every man and woman watching the Seniors Hub who still wants control over their life, their movement, and their freedom. Because the body you live in tomorrow is being built by the choices you make right now. For decades, many people live on autopilot. They sit too long, move too little, ignore posture, and assume pain is just part of getting older. But science tells a different story. The stiffness, the aching knees, the weak grip, the fear of falling, these are not natural laws of aging. They are the accumulated cost of years without purposeful movement. The good news is this: your body is adaptable at any age. It listens. It responds. And when trained correctly, it rewards you with strength, balance, and resilience. These 7 exercises are not about chasing youth or building a perfect physique. They are about survival with quality. They are about being able to stand up from the floor, carry groceries, climb stairs without fear, protect your spine, and walk with confidence. They are about aging without depending on others for basic life tasks. Each of these movements is backed by science, tested by time, and chosen for one reason: to keep you functional, capable, and independent for as long as you live. Let's begin with one of the most underestimated but powerful movements for spinal health and coordination. The bird dog exercise looks simple, but its impact is profound. It trains your body to coordinate opposite limbs, strengthens the deep core muscles, and protects the spine from injury. Every time you extend one arm and the opposite leg, you teach your nervous system balance, control, and stability. This movement directly fights lower back pain, one of the most common and disabling problems among seniors. It strengthens the muscles that hold you upright, stabilize your pelvis, and prevent unnecessary twisting. When done slowly and with control, the bird dog reminds your body how to move as one connected unit, not as weak, disconnected parts. Strength that carries over into real life is what the farmer's walk delivers. Carrying weight while walking trains the body as a complete system. It builds grip strength, shoulder stability, core endurance, and leg coordination all at once. This exercise prepares you for daily tasks: carrying groceries, lifting objects, maintaining posture under load. More importantly, it prepares you for emergencies. If you slip, stumble, or need to grab something quickly, grip strength can mean the difference between a close call and a life-altering fall. The farmer's walk teaches your body to remain upright, stable, and strong while under stress, exactly what aging bodies need to practice regularly. Upper body strength is equally critical, and incline push-ups offer one of the safest and most effective ways to build it. This exercise strengthens the chest, shoulders, arms, and core while protecting the joints. More than that, it prepares you for real-world situations. Pushing yourself up from the floor, bracing during a stumble, or supporting your body weight during movement. Incline push-ups restore pushing strength that many seniors lose over time, and they do so in a controlled, joint-friendly way. With consistency, this movement rebuilds confidence in your own physical ability, reminding you that your body is still capable of learning and growing stronger. Now we reach an exercise that quietly supports every step you take: calf raises. Your calves are often called your second heart because they help pump blood back up to the heart from the lower body. Weak calves contribute to poor circulation, unstable ankles, and inefficient walking. Strong calves, on the other hand, improve balance, walking endurance, and overall lower body resilience. Each controlled rise onto your toes strengthens the muscles that keep you upright, propel you forward, and protect you from sudden loss of balance. This simple movement supports circulation, mobility, and independence in ways most people never realize until it's too late. Finally, there is one movement that connects mobility, strength, and natural human design: the resting squat. This position was once a normal way for humans to rest, eat, and socialize. Over time, many people lost the ability to squat deeply, and with it, they lost ankle, knee, and hip mobility. The resting squat restores joint health, stretches tight muscles, strengthens stabilizers, and improves posture. Cultures that maintain this habit show lower rates of joint degeneration even in advanced age. Practicing this position teaches patience, adaptability, and respect for your body's natural design. It reminds you that mobility is not something you lose, it is something you stop practicing. This is the truth. The Seniors Hub stands for: aging is not a sentence of decline, but a test of discipline and awareness. Every year you delay movement, the cost increases. Muscles shrink, joints stiffen, balance fades. But every day you choose to move with intention, you send your body a powerful message. You are not done yet. You are still building, you are still capable, you are still in control. These 7 exercises are not optional if you want to age with dignity. They are the foundation of a body that can support you, protect you, and serve you for decades to come. Start where you are, move slowly, stay consistent, and remember this: your future self is watching. Give them a body they can trust. If this message inspired you, stay connected with the Seniors Hub. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Because strength shared is strength multiplied, and your journey toward a powerful, independent life starts now.